We're in. Oh, fuck firewall. Oh, hell yeah. Let's hunt. Yeehaw. Alright, let's go. Don't know how to play this game? Yeah. Love my blossom. I got a sleep thing here, some blood. Seems like a bucket. Flies have made her. I wish she were beautiful too, like the squirrels of the wood. And we'll cover her in the squirrels of the wood. Alright, let's go through the door. Let's kill some fucking squirrels. Let's do this shit. What's this? Nice. W bird. Oh. Okay, shift. I was supposed to read that, wasn't I? Use the map default tab. Another tip. Okay, nice. Got him. Don't say I'm not a sharp shooter, bro. Got some more ammo. I heard something over here. We need 5 squirrels or that's on here. There's over there. Nah, none. Need more squirrels. Get a snack. There's something up there. Is that squirrel? Oh shit. I'm more. Good area. Oh, there's gotta be squirrel here. More ammo, don't need that. Squirrels can never see. Fuck you. Health. What is this? Energy drink. Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna fuck you up, squirrel. Is this the crib? Is this the crib? Every day you can commit signs, change act to boost your score. Yeah, nice. Alright, I just committed some sins. That's fire. Dude, there's like no squirrels. I could walk outside right now and kill more squirrels with like... Alright, oh, I can start the squirrelage. There are no squirrels in the game. Fuck, nothing to report. No way. Noise is doing. Probably squirrels are arriving. It's pretty quiet. I'm going here. I'm not going here. But I can go in there. There's no behind there, but whatever. Crowds can use your ears and shit? Okay. I'll try. That's birds. Those are some birds. I'm running around with that. Sharp shooters. Don't crack your back. Can I get on the trees and shit? Your wife is dead. You killed her? Oh, I guess she was a bitch. Fucking... Shit, I don't have more bullets, do I? Fuck. Tit milk, bro. Did I kill it? Did I kill her? Yeah, yeehaw. Reload. Yeah, got him, cowboy. Yeah. Shit. Is that not a squirrel? Or is that already dead? Oh, I already killed that. I think it fell out of a tree or some shit. Alright, here we go. Always in this shit. Oh, that's my wife! Press action. Default left bound to staple squirrels to your beloved. Okay, bet. Default is left mouse button. Ah, there we go. That's fire, dude. Goody. Nothing. I have to go top this mountain. Oh, there's a squirrel over there. Squirrel over there. I know. No ammo. Yeah, got him. Let's go! Let's fucking go! low-key grab the energy drink before going in, so I could run. Oh, there's more squirrels! Let's go! Let's go! Poison grass, Johnny. Do those only show up, like, later on? Watch, there's gonna be, like, more flies today. Nah, just about the same. I don't want squirrels, I want skin. Give me back my skin, or give me yours instead. Nice. Today's God is coming. Okay. Someone's scratching in the windows. I should take a look for tracks. Let's get her. Let's get her. Let's go! I killed that fucker. A squirrel. Got her. Yes! Yes! Fuck you, wife. Oh, there we go. Alright, alright. Sometimes it's better to hide than to fight. Yeah, fuck off, little bitch. Only one squirrel for me today? Oh, okay. Oh, there's some squirrels right on here. Well, that's my wife! That's my fucking wife! Oh shit, I'm fucking dead. I saw her. Fuck! I didn't have a gun. Fuck! I have no bullets! And I can't believe there were two squirrels right over there. Got him. I could give a shit about that. Got him. Too easy. Let's go. Yeah, I think I gotta put him on her back, but I saw at that fucking shack. She was up in that bitch. I'm gonna grab the energy drink before I head home. I'm right over here, so we just gotta head east straight after. This is the quickest day we've ever had. Pretty good day, I'd say so myself. Alright, let's head home now. If I died on the way home, I would literally freak the fuck out. I would not be happy at all. Squirrels are always watching. Alright, here we go. Today's the last day. Today's day 5. God is coming. Alright, God, well. Got her. Got him. One more squirrel left. Oh my god. Oh wait, 2 more squirrels. 2 more squirrels. Come on. Come on, cowboy. Right over here. Right over here. Oh, fuck. There we go! Ooh, I must prepare to meet God. God's coming in a minute? Oh, God. Oh, God. Quite literally. We haven't even gotten all the lore yet. The artist here said unspeakable horror the end. Okay, got it. You guys read that, not me. I'm not flashing you, chat, but I gotta run. Oh, southeast right now before God comes. I gotta pin this shit to my wife right now. Oh, God's coming. Oh, God's coming. He ain't gonna be pleased. I've been killing hella baddies. As in the squirrels. Yeah, someone put up that squirrel clip with a dead squirrel in the con. That would be fucking crazy. That would be a crazy clip to put up right now. As God kills me. Because, oh, I haven't even gone to the Sin Shack! Wait, if God comes and I'm in the Sin Shack. Double speed. Double speed. I must meet God? Okay. Okay. Alright. 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 I'm running to the Sin Shack right now. I don't even care. To the Sin Shack I go. To the Sin Shack I go. I'm going to the Sin Shack. You can't stop me. I'm gonna fucking kill, I'm gonna kill this evil false prophet of a god. The god of the squirrels. It's not a real god. Gee, J-Man would be ashamed, y'all. Where the fuck's the Sin Shack? Oh, God is here. God is here. Go to the Sin Shack. Go to the Sin Shack. Go to the Sin Shack. Go to the Sin Shack! Where is he? Okay, I gotta go back home, I think. I gotta go back home, I think. What is that? Hey. I guess I won. Oh God, what a good game. That was a pretty legendary game. I'm not gonna. I will say so myself.